Hey fam, hello and welcome to another episode of Tuesday Seeds. Today Uriah Israel will be sharing with us some tips and best practices when it comes to collecting seeds. So please stay tuned.
Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Uriah Israel here. And one thing I want to talk to you about today is something super important, just almost as important to me as, not as important as water, but as important as soil, composting, manures. And let me just get to the point. It is seeds. So here today, you see, this is one of my favorite leafy greens. This is an arugula plant that is bolted, went to seed, and has begun to dry out. When I say went to seed, it had flowers on it at one point. And then, the flowers are pollinated and they produce what you call seeds inside of a little tiny little pod. And so what you have here, this whole plant is full of nothing but seeds. Okay, and I took off a little piece of it right here so that you can see. You can see it here, but right here you can see it. And if I shake it, you can hear the seeds inside of these little tiny pods shaking around. And so I'm going to take one of these off so you can see it. And inside this little pod are a whole bunch of tiny little seeds. Okay, these are baby plants waiting to grow. Okay, they're like the size of a grain of sand. And if you sprinkle them on the soil, cover them with some soil, if the weather is right, the conditions are right, they'll probably grow into another arugula plant. Right now it's quite warm, very sunny in this spot, so this might not be the place for it. But my point is that you can save arugula seeds for the next cool season or a shady spot in your yard. And this is just as valuable as almost a plant itself, is to have these seeds, and you can get, so this is just one plant, and you get quite a bit of arugula plants. This is an industry by itself, is saving seeds. So like you could share these, you can barter with these seeds, and that's what I wanted to share with you today. Number one is like, let one of your favorite plants go ahead and bolt, produce seeds for you, and then you can save those seeds, and you'll also be ready for the next cool season. And this is something that we used to do. We had our own little personal seed bank, and therefore you had seeds for next season. You didn't have to go buy anything unless you wanted to. And so this is the lesson for today, is save seeds. This is just one particular plant. I'll probably do another one, but you want to get into the habit of saving seeds. And that's all I have for you today. All right.